Dumating na yung order kong Ever Bilena Tinted Serum Lip Oil and sa video na to subukan natin sila. I actually have the 4 colors sa unang release. But unfortunately, hindi ako big fan ng colors. But when I saw these colors, immediately, chinek out ko kaagad. Formula of this is amazing. I don't have anything negative to say. So yung colors lang talaga yung pagbabasihan ko. And wow, these looks promising. Start tayo dito kay French Rose. Oh wow. This is so nice. This is good. Okay, this is my kind of color, guys. And look, kahit i-rub ko siya ng fingers, di ba? Hindi nagmo-move yung pigment, hindi siya nagsa-separate. So nice. Again, this one is French Rose. Next one is Blushing Pink. Wow. Ang ganda. These are so good. Again, this is Blushing Pink and ang ganda ng kulay. For any skin tone, bagay na bagay ito. Even close up, ang ganda niya. You have to try this. Kung hindi nyo pa nasusubukan, ang ganda ng formula. It's hydrating, it's moisturizing, maganda yung pigment niya, and nag-iiwan to ng stain actually. These new shades, 10 out of 10.